Hello, today I want to show you called Meshy. So it's like AI tools using to generate from image to 3D model or from text to 3D model. So you like putting image here and you will get like 3D model, you know. Better quality, of course. It's not free. You can like have 200 coins. One generate cost 20 coins. You can every month you will get 200 more, or you can buy premium account, you will get 1000 coins, so like 50 generation. Then you can use more quality more polygons and like the size option, something like this. It's very useful, you know. So I just need some 3D models, so I choose this, or maybe some, or this. Or this. Okay, so let's try to download this and upload this and generate. You see it started. This is how my earlier generation looked like. I can see it's quite good, quite detailed. I can see it started. It's looking quite good. This looks awesome. So I need to wait. So our model finish generated. So we get something like this. So it looks quite good, but maybe this one not looking options like Pro, Resize, something like this. Choose STR and download. So we have this, so we just can print it. Thank you for watching.